Now this has made the process of production so simple. I never could imagine it.
We had it operating in like 3 days, and it was making money within 3-4 days after that.
It's because of companies like Laguna Tools that we were able to count on them and provide us with the tooling that we needed to set us up for success and really set us apart from much of our competition.
Our clients were, getting more recognizable and bigger clients, and I think they expect a level of perfection and cleanliness that we couldn't get without the, routers, CNC routers and things. And I guess 5 or 6 years ago is when we bought our first Smart Shop 2, and then, increased production, accuracy, doesn't take a break, that kind of thing, and I mean, it's helped us tremendously over the last about 5 or 6 years, I think.
It's insane to me. I understand that the CNCs have been around for a while, and I understand what they do. You design it in the computer and then the machine cuts it out, but it's a completely different thing. Having this machine in front of me and it being one of my thoughts, I want a stool. I model it up in 15 minutes, and then all of a sudden 15 minutes later I have this stool. I'm actually sitting on it right now. It's crazy to me, and the best way that I can put it is I feel like it's a modern day printer. It's printing my thoughts. It's not cheesy. I actually got goosebumps because it's pretty spectacular, the technology and the capabilities that this gives me, gives anybody. It's magical.
The machine comes to work every day without a problem, doesn't need a break. God knows we may need a second machine. Anybody doing what we're doing, if you're doing art with this thing, if you're doing, one-off productions of stuff for installs in people's homes or what have you, I can only say yes, this is a great machine.
As our company grew and the demand grew, we knew that we couldn't do everything we needed with our sliding table saw, so we decided to make the jump to the Smart Shop 2, and that really helped our production. We were able to produce a lot more. The machines are wonderful, and the service is impeccable.
The reviews online were amazing. Everybody that talked about how easy and quickly they got their machine set up and into their production schedule just really sold us on the whole company and machine. The learning curve on the Laguna Smart Shop 2 was very minimal. The program VCarve, it took no time at all for us to learn. It's very user-friendly, and I had never run a CNC in the past, and I picked it up in the first week.
I love the company. Every question we've ever had, any issues that come up, that they respond immediately. We haven't really had any issues. Usually when you get something this big, you think something's going to come up, a lot of technology and stuff, but the whole machine's been great. Like I said, we've been using it non-stop, and we haven't really had any issues with it.
Before we committed to the plasma cutter from Laguna, Brian did his research on the competitive products.
I've recently in the past have been farming all my steel work out, and I'm sitting there going, why do I go and farm that to somebody else when I could bring that in-house? We could do that all ourselves.
Well, everything was easy. I mean, once we ordered it, it was easy. It's already paid itself off. I know that I would recommend it for anything. Patrick can program it within probably 15 minutes. Go out there, plug it in, set a sheet up, get it going, and within 30 minutes he's back in the office and the machine's running. Essentially there's no labor in it. So the machine pays for itself.
My name is John Wakefield with Winterwood Cabinetry.
My name is April Wilkerson, and I have the Laguna team here with me in the hill country of Texas.
We're here at Bull Valley Hardwood in Woodstock, Illinois.
My name is Sean Thornton. I work at Gallagher Designs.
I'm Buddy Autry with Ross Manufacturing.
I'm Doug Womack. My company name is Wilcon Atlanta, LLC.
So we bought one Laguna, and I think 6 months later we've got 2 more.
I want to thank Laguna Tools for coming up with new ideas. This is the future.